I just recorded a whole bunch of nothing. Hello everyone, and I'm assuming that you know what this video is about because you can tell by the name on the title. Yes, we are going to be opening the Jeffree Star Halloween mystery boxes. Now, to give you a little information on this, they were released on October 11th at 10 a.m. and they sold out within pretty much minutes, I believe. I'm not sure if the deluxe is still available. Let me check the website. I believe they are all sold out. Okay, yes, all 3 boxes are sold out. There was the premium box, which is this box right here. This was $40. It has an $82 value and it contains 4 items. Then there was the deluxe box that was $75, which has a $186 value and it contains 8 items. Then there was this bad boy. This is the Supreme, which was $160 and it has a retail value of $339 and it contains 13 items. Now, with that being said, it says, I'll put the flyer that he posted right here, but it says every box contains at least 1 exclusive mystery cosmetic item and they are sold out. So if you didn't get them, I'm sorry that you missed out, but let's get into these boxes. Let's start with the small little one. This is the premium. Now, as you can see, I have not opened these. I don't even know what's in them. I have not watched any reviews if there's any up yet. So that's why I am recording this, so I can get this up. All right, this is what it looks like inside. Oh! It's got a deluxe. It's got a lipstick, and the lipstick name is called Soul Sucker. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh, you know. Alright, let me get this lipstick off. Hold on just a second. Alright, sorry about that. My camera died. So anyway, that's Cherry Wet. That's what it looks like. And like I said, I am not going to open it. I'm going to put it right back in this box because I already own it. I'm so excited about now I get to give it to someone who needs it or who wants it. Okay, now let's get into the deluxe. As you can tell, I have not opened this one yet either. As a matter of fact, this one just came in the mail today. For some reason, they all came on different days. All right. This is what it looks like on the inside. I already see some items that I'm super excited about. Yes! Yes, yes, yes. I am so excited that I got this. I love it. It is so cool. Now I can wear another one. Look at that, it's so cool. All right, let's look at the next one. Yes, I get to try one of his glosses. I don't have any of them yet. This is called Crystal Kiss. I've been wanting to try his glosses since they came out and I don't own any of them. Which I'm surprised, but yes, I don't own any of them. Look at how beautiful that is. I don't want to put it over top of this black though, because I don't want to screw it up. Oh, that is beautiful. It's got like pink in it. Oh, it would look fantastic over this. I don't know if you can see it. It's this one right there. See it? Oh, it's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay, that's that one. Now I also got a regular liquid lipstick in his shade Poinsettia, which I already have this as well, so this will be going in my giveaway. and that is the color. Then I received another of his lip ammos from his summer collection, I want to say it was. And this is the color Candy Freeze. I do not have this one either, so I'm going to open it and swatch it. Ooh. Look at how beautiful that is. It's this one right there. That one right there. Oh, that's really cute. The swatches on my hand look like Neapolitan ice cream. Okay. Oh, this is gorgeous. Mystery Frost. Oh my god, how cool. I love this Skin Frost. Let's see what color this is. This is the front, and this is what it looks like on the back. If I can get it open. Look at that. Look at how gorgeous that is. Oh, we're trying this bad boy on right now, and I just got lip gloss all over my leg. Oh. Oh, the black kinda. That's beautiful. The black is only on the top, so. Oh, it's glittery. Okay. I love his Skin Frosts. Look at how beautiful that is. Seriously, people. Gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. I am so happy that I got this color. And you know what else is really cool that I didn't get? I have not had a duplicate item yet. I say yet. So I got a liquid frost in the color Frostbite. I don't believe I have this one. But oh, you know what? I might have this one. If I have this one, it'll go in my giveaway. It's very beautiful, but I do think I have this one as well. That's okay. That's okay. That just means someone else will get a nice little skin, a liquid frost. All right, next item. Oh, my first duplicate. Another mini jawbreaker. So I have one of my sister's birthday Christmas presents this year. Hopefully she doesn't watch this video. Kelsey. So I'm just going to wrap this one back up. And it's going to go to my sister because I just got another one to put in a giveaway. Yes. Okay, so this is the last item in the box. It's gonna be a mirror. And I know that because I've got several of these mirrors. Let's see which one it is. Oh. Yes! It is the orange and black one. Oh, I love this mirror. I am so excited. I really love how they come packaged too, because they come packaged inside this foam and then you pull them out. And I don't know if you can see the little indent of the mirror. So that was this one. Now, onto this one. I'm so excited to dig into this one. My husband is going to kill me because I bought several. I bought one of each. So yeah, if I don't put up any more videos, that's because he killed me. I'm just kidding. He wouldn't kill me. He's just gonna get really pissed. And this is what it looks like inside. Are you kidding me? How freaking cool is this? Yes. Oh my god, now I wish I would have got a large because I like my shirts big. But anyway, I am excited. I'm so excited. Oh, and you just don't understand. I've been wanting one of these tracksuits forever and they're just so expensive. Okay, now my next item is another lip ammo. And this is in the color Yummy. And I do not have this one either. So we're gonna put that right there below the other one. You can't really see it. It's right there because it's kind of like a purple lip topper. And it's stunning. Okay, so my next item in this box is a Supreme Frost in the color Caramel Kiss. I did not get this from his launch either, so I'm super excited. I love this, how it looks. See how it's clear on the inside? And then when you open it, it has Jeffree Star Cosmetics right there. Look how gorgeous that is. That is absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. I still can't make it past the tracksuit. I will lose tons and tons of weight to fit my fat ass in that. All right, here's the other limited edition color. This is called Zombie Kiss. Oh, I'm putting that bad boy on. Look at how gorgeous that is. Sorry, soul sucker, you're coming off. All right, let's get this zombie on. I see a couple of other items in there that I'm really excited about. Oh God, this is stunning. Okay, so it's not the best application, but this color is beautiful. Look at it. Wow. Okay, Jeffree Star, you have out fucking done yourself with these boxes. Let me tell you, I'm not even done yet. Okay, next item in this box is a lip scrub, and this is the Cucumber Mint lip scrub from his summer collection. I do not have this one yet either. What it looks like. That's the color. Ooh, it smells like cucumbers and mint. Oh my god. It tastes amazing. All right. So here we go. Yes! I don't have this yet either. This is one of his lip pencils. This is the color NICOLE, which I am super excited for. Look at how adorable these are. I can't contain my excitement. I'm sorry, everyone. All right, we're gonna put it right here. Oh, wow. I barely had to write on my NICOLE. I barely had to touch my skin. That's how creamy that was. That was so creamy. All right. Next item in the box is, this is one of his colors from a previous launch. This is Venus FLYTRAP. Now I do have this one as well, but I don't know if I'm gonna keep it because it is actually one of my favorite colors. But I might put it in the giveaway. Who knows, we'll see. Okay. Now, next item in the box is, yes, another straw, and it's a Halloween colored straw. I'm so excited. I got one in the previous boxes that he sent out, and I got a pink one. So I'm so excited. I have a feeling this is another dupe. So if it is, I'm gonna have to figure out who I'm gonna give it to. And it is It is the mini breaker again. So I did get the mini breaker 3 times. I already own it, and like I said, one is going in a giveaway and the other one is going as a Christmas present. I don't know what I'm doing with this one yet. Next item in the box I'm so super excited for because I don't own this. These are Love Me, Love Me Not. Now I do have his quality ones and I have the ones from Blue Blood, but I do not have these. These are absolutely gorgeous. Seriously, this box is flipping amazing. Those tracksuits, the tracksuit bottoms and the top, oh my god. So, yes! Oh my god, I'm so excited. I am so excited, and I love how it's black and orange for Halloween. I have 2 of his vinyls already, the star vinyls. Alright, so last item in this box is a mirror. Let me open it. Yep, the same mirror. I already got this one in the other box previously to this one, which I'm not mad at because I love Jeffree Star mirrors. They're amazing. So I might put it in a giveaway. I don't know. I might not. I might give it away as a Christmas present to go with my sister with the mini. And her Christmas present is taken care of this year. So anyway, I'm floored by this. The Halloween boxes were totally worth it. Totally worth it, especially for me because there's a lot of stuff in here that I don't own, which is really good because I do own a lot of Jeffree Star. So I own all of his liquid lips, with the exception of the new colors that I just got. So yeah, with that being said, I'm excited. I'm glad I got these. I'm glad I purchased them. So if you didn't, I'm sorry. But look forward for a future giveaway from me. I am only at 180 something people, so I want to do a giveaway at 500. So I'm hoping to get there at least by the end of the year, which is creeping up, which I don't know. So let me know what you think about these boxes in the comment section down below, and if you got them, what items you got. Did you get the same items I did? Because I like to know what people get in their boxes. So anyway, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have not already, please subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. And hit that notification bell down below so you know when I upload new videos, and I am jam-packed with videos right now that are going to be going up soon. So anyway, with that being said, I hope you have a wonderful, fantastic, beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!